Sanibonani. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Zulu basic series brought to you by ZuluMites. Today I'm going to teach you how to greet. Firstly, you'd say sawubona, which means hello. Directly translated, it means we see you or we see each other. Next, you would say unjani, which means how are you? The answer could be ngiyaphila or ngikhona. Ngiyaphila means I am well. Directly translated, it means I am alive. And ngikhona means I am here. Feel free to use both of these answers when somebody greets you or when you greet other people. Go ahead and use these greetings as much as you can in the weeks ahead. Ngiyabonga, sala kahle.